Hi Tatay, happy Monterey. Although we are 183 something kilometers away from each other, because that is the distance between Malaybalay and Iligan City. But still, you never let me feel the emptiness of being far away from each other, because you always exert an effort to express how much you love me and how much you miss me. Well, Tatay, I love you very, very much. I'll be patiently waiting for you. And always remember the song. When I first saw you, I already knew there is something inside of you. Something I thought that I would never find. Angel of mine. I look at you, looking at me. Now I know why they say the best things are free. I'm gonna love you, boy, you are so fine. Angel of mine.